Alright y'all, so this is the finished look of this unit and how are we liking it. Now let's quickly get into the specs of what I have on today. Okay, so I'm just gonna go off the top of my bean to tell you guys the specs of what I have on today because I'm filming on my phone and my camera is just acting up. So today I have on a wig that I got from TikTok shop. This is a human hair curly wig and it is in 18 inches and this is in the color, I believe, 1B. Honestly, I really do like this wig. It is very natural and very pretty. Styling it was very easy. I only used my spray bottle that has a little bit of conditioner, and then I use the Doe Mousse Def texture foam. This stuff is literally chef's kiss. Like, this is the good stuff. I wish I did have their gel to go with it to make the curls pop even more, but I ran out. Now with this unit as well, I did pre-pluck it to my natural hairline, but I didn't pluck too much. I just wanted it to give a realistic hairline because, as you can see, I do have a widow's peak. I did not bleach the knots or anything like that. This is how the wig came exactly, and honestly, it does look like scalp. It looks really good for a wig from TikTok, honestly. Now after plucking this unit, I did wash it. I washed it and I deep conditioned it and everything like that, and the curls came out really good. I'm sure that you can apply heat to this unit as well if you would like to do like a wand curl or something. I wanted to do something a little bit different. Usually I just apply my wigs with a lace bond spray, but this time I actually used the Dola hair glue that I also got from TikTok shop, and this glue works wonders. I've had this wig on for a couple days and usually I sweat and it makes it really itchy in the hairline area and I just want to take it off and I start to break out and get like little bumps, but so far so good. But yeah, other than that, this wig gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I really do love the curls and I can't wait to see like what other styles that I can do with this because I would love to do more natural hairstyles with this. I'm going to link this unit down below for you guys if you are interested. In my description box is going to link you directly to my TikTok, and this unit will be in my showcase, so just look out for the name and I'll put it up here somewhere for you. Yeah, as always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I really do appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.